Starting the game with a popular movie to gather initial feedback on type, year, rating, and genres. I will click the search box, type Inception, press enter to select the first suggestion, and then click the guess button to submit. Type card is green for Inception movie, so target medium equals movie. Year is red with a down arrow, meaning the target is older than 2008. Rating is yellow with a down arrow, meaning the rating is between 8.3 and 8.7. No overlapping genres: action, adventure, sci-fi, actors, or directors. The target is an older, highly rated non-action/sci-fi movie. Target medium is movie. Year is older than 2008. Rating is between 8.3 and 8.7. Genres do not include action, adventure, or sci-fi. I will guess Goodfellas 1990, rating 8.7, biography/crime/drama to test these genres and an older year. Type card is green for Goodfellas movie, so target medium equals movie. Year is red with a down arrow, meaning the target is older than 1990. Rating is yellow with a down arrow, meaning the rating is lower than 8.7 but within 0.5, 8.2 to 8.6. Overlapping genre is drama, biography, and crime are not on target. No overlapping actors or directors. The target is a drama movie older than 1990 with a rating between 8.2 and 8.6. Target medium is movie. Year is older than 1990, red down arrow. Rating is between 8.2 and 8.6, yellow down arrow from 8.7. Genre includes drama, but not crime or biography. I will guess Casablanca 1942, rating 8.5, drama/romance/war to test an older decade and new genres. Type card is green for Casablanca movie, so target medium equals movie. Year is red with an up arrow, meaning the target is newer than 1943. Rating is yellow with a down arrow, meaning the rating is lower than 8.5 but within 0.5, 8.0 to 8.4. Overlapping genre is drama, romance, and war are not on target. No overlapping actors or directors. The target is a drama movie newer than 1943 with a rating between 8.0 and 8.4. Target medium is movie. Year is between 1946 and 1987, newer than 1943, older than 1990. Rating is 8.3 or 8.4, lower than 8.5 but within 0.5. Genre includes drama, but not crime, biography, romance, or war. I will guess The Shining 1980, rating 8.4, drama/horror to test the horror genre and narrow the year. Type card is green for The Shining movie, so target medium equals movie. Year is yellow with an up arrow, meaning the target is newer than 1980, but within 2 years, 1981 or 1982. Rating is green, meaning the target rating is exactly 8.4. Overlapping genre is drama, horror is not on target. No overlapping actors or directors. The target is a drama movie from 1981 or 1982 with an 8.4 rating. Target medium is movie. Year is 1981 or 1982. Rating is exactly 8.4. Genre includes drama. I will guess Das Boot 1981, rating 8.4, drama/war to see if it matches, even though war was previously not highlighted, as it's one of the very few 8.4 movies from this exact time frame. Nailed it! The target was the classic movie Das Boot, which we figured out in just 5 guesses. Pinning down the exact 8.4 rating and the 1981-1982 release window for drama was the perfect combination to solve this one.